I think Tallinn Digital Summit 2025 has been extraordinary in its history. First of all, we have had an unprecedented number of delegates from all over the world, from Europe, North America, Africa, Asia, coming here together in Estonia to debate the future and implementation of AI. Secondly, the TDS has gathered an unprecedented number of decision makers around 3 different verticals that usually or rarely talk to each other. Global decision makers from European commissioners, tech leaders from Europe's powerhouses such as Mistral, but also global AI powerhouses, whether they are NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, Palantir, Meta, or everyone else. And the third component, which is of course very, very important, is the capital required to actually catalyze these innovations into this marketplace. What we've really seen is I think, very pragmatic, open, and constructive dialogues what the AI deployment in terms of national capacities, European capacities, and global capacities are. The second point what I want to make is that TDS has always been a very open place for, if not an early warning, then a peek into the future. Much of the discussions were focused on both on building tactical capacities in order to fend off the threats to European democracies, but very clearly and tangibly in Ukraine. And especially here on day 2, we received so many insights on the evolving level of cybersecurity. And clearly, there are a few things to remember. First of all, things are going to escalate. Secondly, we have amazing companies, both on the state side as well as private sector, in order to fend these threats. So I think the outlook is optimistic. If perhaps 6 months ago, AI entered the grand powers game, then it looked a bit of doom and gloom. But clearly we see that the crossroads are not so crossy, and there might be a joint future ahead.